Wow! Kabayo? Sure.
Ayan na nga, kunwari, ay kumakanta-kanta lang ako dyan. Syempre, para hindi ako mahalata. But ang totoo, may pinaplano na naman akong katarantaduhan. Ang tagal ko mahanap yung PT, nasa kailaliman pa kasi. Eto na, inabot ko na yung pregnancy test na positive. So, let's start the prank.
Really?
Hindi nga! What it means?
Show me, huh?
You know that? How to read?
No. What does it mean?
It's 2 line?
Uh. Huh? Sure.
Oo nga. So, ano? Ako pregnant.
A coffee, baby? Oh, coffee, baby.
Oo nga.
Give show mo to my baby.
The baby cannot eat shawarma.
Why?
So, what's your reaction? We have baby na soon.
We have baby na soon? After how many months?
After 9 months.
So this was our first month.
Mm-mm.
So January.
What January?
You,
April this month.
Mm. You deliver on January, ba?
Maybe. I'm not sure. Wow, wala tol. You know January, ha?
After 9 months, ba?
Mm-mm.
You said 9 months.
So fast naman. So, yeah, maybe na on January.
Baby!
Happy talaga! Ikaw happy or what?
Of course! What do you think? So, yeah, ikaw madaya, ikaw you
What?
did the prank, di ba?
From where this one? What Frank? This is for me.
I don't know, maybe from your friend, maybe
No.
someone. Sure.
It is for me. Oh. It's new. Oh.
Say wallah.
No.
Say wallah. I got you.
Why? I am not Muslim. How will I say?
Huh?
I don't
It's a
know.
prank. It's a prank.
Not a prank.
Ah,
It's real nga.
sure.
Yeah, so congratulations, you soon to be daddy. This is the proof that I'm pregnant. So congratulations talaga.
Or.
Because we have a baby.
Woo! Really?
Yes. You can't believe?
No, I cannot believe you. I don't believe you.
Oo nga.
You will say the truth. Let me finish my food.
I'm pregnant. Only like that. You will see.
Where is the baby? Show me.
Here, see my bilbil. Oh.
Mafi.
What mommy? You cannot believe it, oh. You want or no?
I won.
Sure. You want a baby? From me?
No, from my father. Of course, from you.
O diba, mukhang na-prank naman natin siya. At mukhang willing naman na siya magka-baby. Ayan na nga, sasabihin ko na ang totoo sa kanya. Kasi mukhang nagugutom na siya eh. It's a prank! Ito, kahit napaprank, masaya pa din. Tinulak pa nga ako. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is for entertainment purposes only.